Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Nifty Se Aage. Friends, for the last many days, I was thinking of making a video on the market and to make you aware about the short term move of the market. So, friends, let me start from the month of March. March end, we started going up, and since then, we have not looked back even once. We have been moving up. We made a new high. But if you remember last Friday when we were close to new high, we had a sudden fall and the fall was nasty. At least it was nasty enough for a day. So, and once again, we have uh, started to uh, climb back, and now the basic mentality with which most of the retail traders are working is that the market is not going to fall down. Market is not going to fall down soon. And every dip is a buying opportunity. Of course, it has been the case. So why should one disbelieve it? But friends, remember one thing. In the last 3 days, there has been a big development. And the big development has been that the Federal Reserve increased the interest rate again in US, and their statement has been slightly hawkish. They have not put a lid to interest rate hike. In fact, what they have said is that inflation is going beyond their comfort still, and unless it is nearby 2%, they are not going to stop hiking the interest rates. Now, friends, with this hike, American rates of interest are at par with many countries in the world, and they are even catching up with India. If the Indian RBI does not increase interest rates that aggressively, then in that case, friends, FIIs may not have much interest in our market. They would rather be comfortable investing in US at such high interest rates instead of putting in their money in markets like India, which are already at an all time high or near all time high. From there, they do not see much growth in 2024. It's very difficult that from all time high we can give a double digit growth so quickly, especially because the interest rate news in the US and other central banks of European Union is clearly indicating that FIIs might lose interest in our markets very soon, and some of it is visible in the last 2 days, where the FIIs have reduced their index future position from 1,04,000 or 1,08,000 contracts to nearly 33,000 by Thursday, and I don't have figures for Friday. They might have reduced it further. So, friends, when FIIs suddenly start rolling back their index future position, then you should be cautious about the move of the market. So, friends, it's not to say that markets are going to fall and fall big tomorrow. Please don't be under that impression. Markets still have some steam left. Markets are still going up. They might go up in the next few days. But near the all time high, you have to exercise maximum caution because, friends, around that point, the markets can fall big. And if the Nifty breaks 19,550, then we can actually see a almost 500 point fall, because after that support the next support is around 19,086. So till such time that the Nifty is sustaining above 19,675, my guess is it might make a new high, but around the new high it may fall, and this time it may not sustain 19550 and can go up to 19086. But again, as I say, in the coming days the Nifty may try to scale 20,000 again, but around that point you need to exercise maximum caution, especially in the light of the fact that if the US Fed has said that they will keep raising the interest rates even this year unless inflation is in their comfort zone, which is 2%. So, if they keep on rising the rates, the market had factored in the fact that the US Fed will stop hiking the rates and start rolling back the rates in 2023 itself. But now it looks like they are going to raise rates further in 2023, and nobody knows if they will be able to roll back any of these interest rates by the second half of 2024 or not. So that leaves a big gap between uh, interest rates of US and many other markets. So the FIIs, especially who are invested in India, may not find it very attractive at our interest rates to invest in our country. And at these levels, which are next to ATH, they are not expecting a very big growth from here in the next year. So there may come a point where the FIIs may start big dumping. Already, friends, in the last few days, FIIs have started dumping. Every time when the market is going up, they are taking it as an opportunity of selling their stocks. Please observe the market. When the market starts going up, they also participate in the bull run. But from a definite point, they start selling back and the market again comes down. This type of indication suggests that the market strength is slowly turning into weakness and FIIs are slowly turning into sellers. If FIIs and HNIs lose interest in our market in a big way, then friends, around the top, we can see a big turn and we can be caught by surprise. As a retail trader, you must have made good money if you were right in your decision of going long in the index. But, friends, if you have earned money for 3 months, it is not general wisdom to lose that money in a few days' time. Because, friends, the markets they have gone up in 3 months, but it may take 3 weeks for them to fall big. So please remain cautious, please remain informed. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please uh, press the like button, share it with your friends to help them. And in the end, disclaimer, this is completely for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell call. Markets have their own risks. So please consult your financial advisor before investing in the market. I hope the coming weeks and days prove to be beneficial for you and you are cautious enough to save your hard earned money. Thank you very much, friends. Good night.